Hi, we are the multi-beverage container one tumbler team on the Consumer Product Manufacturing Enterprise team. Our team consists of three members currently: Jackie Foreman, a fourth-year chemical engineer and the team lead, Madeline Johnson, a fifth-year chemical engineer, and Zoe Com, a third-year chemical engineer. This team, sponsored by Sussex Injection Molding, has been a part of the CPM enterprise for 6 semesters now, and this is the team's final semester. The one tumbler design can be individually customized, including with a unique QR code, and is made from recycled plastic. The purpose of the one tumbler and this project is to promote awareness and increase education about the role multi-use beverage containers play in sustainability on and off campus. One of the team's semester's goals was to continue advertising for the one tumbler, doing tabling, table tents, and posters. Another goal was to discuss the future steps with the residence halls to provide incoming students with one tumblers for fall 2024. The life cycle assessment that compared single-use plastic beverage containers to the multi-use one tumbler was to be completed and published by the end of the semester as well. Lastly, product testing was completed, which included leak testing and drop testing.
Now, moving on to the semester progress and results. At the beginning of fall 2023, all residents living in the NTU housing received a Michigan Tech branded one tumbler cup in their dorms. The one tumbler also has a Linktree QR code on it. This Linktree allows students to have a variety of resources all in one place. It organizes links to enterprise information, important housing resources such as duty phone and maintenance requests, campus event information, and campus resources such as public safety and the Dean of Students. The One Tumbler also celebrates designs from Michigan Tech students and faculty. The goal of providing all students with a One Tumbler was to promote sustainability on campus and decrease the number of single-use containers used on campus. However, it was concluded that the housing program will not be continuing into fall 2024 at the best interest of all parties involved. A major part of the housing program was collecting feedback on the cup to determine how it was used on campus and if any improvements were needed. The majority of students found that the one tumbler worked fine. However, some improvements were needed on the lid, as the majority of comments in the survey pertained to the lid. 83% of students rated the one tumbler a 3 out of 5 or higher, but 70% of students used the cup less than 5 times per week. These are some of the results that were presented to housing to determine if the project would be moving forward. A major concern with the program was that while most students expressed liking the one tumbler, they already had their preferred water bottle on campus with them. This resulted in the one tumbler becoming less sustainable in practice.
The team was also tasked with conducting a life cycle assessment for the one tumbler and comparing it to two commonly used single-use beverage containers found on campus. The two single-use containers are a plastic water bottle and paper coffee cup. Both of these can be purchased in the library cafe. This LCA focused on the cradle-to-grave aspect, starting with the production of raw materials all the way to either a landfill or recycling center. The team was able to submit the LCA for publication to the Association for the Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education. The results of this LCA exemplify our sustainability efforts. As shown in this crossover point graph for a single-year basis, the one tumbler becomes more sustainable in terms of kilograms of CO2 emissions after 48 plastic water bottles and 52 paper coffee cups. The team also conducted product testing for the new and old design of the one tumbler. The product testing focused on two areas: leak and drop testing. The results of both the leak and drop testing showed that the new design was more prone to leaking and breaking when dropped. These results were brought back to our sponsor's engineering team for further investigation of the one tumbler. This project is now complete. However, the team will follow up with the outcomes of the publication process to ensure all aspects are done.